Imagine a force of nature so powerful it could reshape our planet. A force so immense it could alter the course of history and change the very fabric of life on Earth. Picture an eruption so colossal it could darken the skies for years, plunging the world into a volcanic winter. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and life as we know it would be irrevocably altered. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a chilling possibility that has haunted humanity since the dawn of our existence. Ancient civilizations have crumbled under the weight of such cataclysmic events, leaving behind ruins that tell a story of nature's fury. It is the terrifying power of a supervolcanic eruption. An event so rare yet so devastating that it has the potential to wipe out entire species and reshape continents. Picture this. A colossal caldera, a gaping scar carved into the Earth's surface, lies dormant. It is a sleeping giant, a ticking time bomb waiting to unleash its fury. Beneath its deceptively serene facade, molten rock churns and bubbles, building pressure over millennia. The magma chamber swells, its contents growing ever more volatile. Suddenly the Earth shudders, the ground ruptures, seismic activity signals the awakening of the beast below. A deafening roar tears through the atmosphere as a supervolcano awakens. The explosion is heard for miles, a harbinger of the destruction to come. Molten rock and ash are ejected skyward with unimaginable force, reaching heights that dwarf even the tallest mountains. The sky is filled with a towering ash plume, a dark omen of the chaos unleashed below. Pyroclastic flows, rivers of superheated gas and volcanic debris race across the landscape, incinerating everything in their path. Nothing can withstand their deadly embrace. The air grows thick with ash, blotting out the sun and plunging the world into an eerie twilight. Day turns to night, and the temperature drops as the sun's warmth is obscured. This is not a scene from a disaster movie. This is a real and present danger, a reminder of the raw power of nature. This is the raw, unbridled power of a supervolcano, a force capable of unleashing devastation on a global scale. Its impact would be felt far and wide, altering climates, disrupting ecosystems, and challenging the very survival of humanity. The scars it leaves on the Earth are a testament to its might, a reminder of the delicate balance we live in and the ever-present potential for nature's wrath to reshape our world. Volcanoes, with their fiery displays of molten rock and ash, are a testament to the immense power that lies beneath the Earth's surface. These natural phenomena have fascinated and terrified humans for centuries, with their ability to reshape landscapes and impact weather patterns. The sight of a volcano erupting, spewing molten rock and ash high into the sky, is both awe-inspiring and a stark reminder of the Earth's volatile nature. But even the most destructive volcanic eruptions pale in comparison to the sheer magnitude of a supervolcanic event. Supervolcanoes are in a league of their own, capable of producing eruptions that are thousands of times more powerful than those of regular volcanoes. These colossal eruptions can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just the immediate vicinity, but the entire planet. The difference lies in the scale and intensity. While a regular volcanic eruption can cause significant local damage, a supervolcanic eruption can lead to global catastrophe. The sheer volume of material ejected during a supervolcanic eruption is staggering, dwarfing the output of even the largest regular volcanic eruptions. Imagine a regular volcano erupting like a pressure cooker letting off steam. The pressure builds up over time until it is released in a relatively controlled manner, resulting in an eruption that, while powerful, is limited in scope. Now picture a supervolcano exploding like a bomb detonated at the Earth's core. The pressure buildup is immense, and when it finally releases, the explosion is catastrophic, sending shockwaves through the Earth and ejecting vast amounts of material into the atmosphere. While typical volcanoes erupt with cubic kilometers of material, supervolcanoes unleash thousands of cubic kilometers in a cataclysmic event. This massive release of material can blanket entire continents in ash, disrupt air travel, and lead to long-term climate changes. Their eruptions are measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, a logarithmic scale where each level represents a tenfold increase in explosive power. This scale helps scientists categorize the intensity of volcanic eruptions and understand their potential impact. While even the most powerful historical volcanic eruptions barely reach VEI 7, supervolcanoes erupt at a staggering VEI 8. This level of eruption is almost unimaginable, with the potential to cause widespread devastation and alter the course of human history. The consequences are equally disparate. A regular volcanic eruption can cause significant local damage, destroying homes, infrastructure, and ecosystems in the immediate area. A regular volcanic eruption might devastate a region, leading to loss of life, displacement of communities, and economic hardship. The ash and gases released can also affect air quality and weather patterns in the short term. A supervolcano has the potential to plunge the entire planet into a volcanic winter, disrupting global climate patterns and threatening the very fabric of civilization. The ash and gases released can block sunlight, leading to a significant drop in temperatures worldwide. This can result in crop failures, food shortages, and widespread famine, posing a serious threat to human survival. The Earth bears the scars of numerous supervolcanic eruptions throughout its history. These scars are not just physical marks on the landscape, but also serve as historical records of the planet's volatile nature. Each eruption has left behind a story, a testament to the raw and untamed power that lies beneath the Earth's crust. These events serve as stark reminders of the immense destructive power that lies dormant beneath our feet. The sheer force of these eruptions can reshape entire regions, altering ecosystems and climates in ways that are both dramatic and long-lasting. The ash clouds, lava flows, and pyroclastic surges are not just natural phenomena, they are forces of nature that have the power to change the course of history. One such scar is Yellowstone National Park in the United States. Known for its stunning landscapes and geothermal features, Yellowstone is a place of natural wonder. But beneath its breathtaking beauty lies a hidden danger, a slumbering giant that has the potential to awaken with catastrophic consequences. Beneath its breathtaking beauty lies a slumbering giant, a supervolcano capable of unleashing an eruption thousands of times more powerful than Mount St. Helens in 1980. The caldera, a massive volcanic crater, is a silent witness to past cataclysms and a reminder of the potential for future ones. The power of this supervolcano is almost unimaginable, with the ability to spew vast amounts of ash and lava, affecting not just the local area but the entire planet. Geological records reveal that Yellowstone has experienced 3 cataclysmic eruptions in the past, the most recent occurring 640,000 years ago. These eruptions have left behind layers of volcanic rock, each layer telling a story of destruction and renewal. The geological formations at Yellowstone are like pages in a history book, each one providing clues about the past and warnings for the future. Another chilling example is the Toba eruption on the Indonesian island of Sumatra, approximately 74,000 years ago. This eruption was one of the most powerful in Earth's history, releasing an enormous amount of volcanic material into the atmosphere. The Toba eruption was so massive that it created a caldera over 100 kilometers in length, a testament to the sheer scale of the event. This colossal event is believed to have plunged the Earth into a volcanic winter lasting for years, leading to widespread environmental devastation and potentially even pushing humanity to the brink of extinction. The ash and gases released into the atmosphere would have blocked sunlight, causing temperatures to drop and disrupting weather patterns. The impact on the environment was profound, with many species struggling to survive in the harsh conditions. These ancient eruptions, though separated by vast stretches of time, offer invaluable lessons about the potential consequences of a future supervolcanic event. They show us the power of nature and the fragility of human civilization. By studying these past events, scientists can better understand the risks and develop strategies to mitigate the impacts of future eruptions. They paint a sobering picture of global climate change, mass extinctions, and the fragility of human civilization in the face of such overwhelming natural disasters. The lessons from these ancient eruptions are clear. We must respect the power of nature and be prepared for the possibility of future supervolcanic events. By understanding the past, we can better prepare for the future and protect our planet and its inhabitants from the devastating effects of these natural disasters. The study of ancient eruptions has led to advancements in predictive models, allowing scientists to better forecast potential eruptions and their impacts. This knowledge is crucial for developing emergency preparedness plans and mitigating the effects on human populations. By investing in research and preparedness, we can reduce the risks and enhance our resilience against these formidable natural events. Furthermore, the lessons from ancient eruptions underscore the importance of global cooperation and technological innovation in monitoring volcanic activity. Communities around the world can benefit from shared knowledge and resources, enhancing their ability to respond to and recover from volcanic disasters. By fostering a culture of resilience and preparedness, we can ensure a safer future for all. The immediate aftermath of a supervolcanic eruption would be a scene of unimaginable devastation, reshaping the landscape in an instant. Millions of people living within a few hundred kilometers of the eruption would face immediate peril, scrambling to escape the encroaching doom. Evacuations would be chaotic, with shelters overflowing and panic setting in. Pyroclastic flows traveling at speeds exceeding 700 kilometers per hour would engulf entire cities, obliterating everything in their path and leaving behind a smoldering wasteland. These flows are a deadly mix of hot gas and volcanic matter, capable of incinerating anything in seconds. The skies would darken as a colossal ash cloud laden with toxic gases engulfs the planet, casting a shadow over the world. This ash cloud would spread across continents, blocking sunlight and plunging regions into darkness. Breathing would become a struggle, if not impossible, without adequate protection as the air turns thick with ash. Respiratory issues would surge and masks would become essential for survival. Transportation networks would grind to a halt as ash grounds aircraft and renders roads impassable, isolating communities. The global supply chain would be severely disrupted, leading to shortages of essential goods. The immediate impact on human life would be catastrophic, with emergency services overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the disaster. Hospitals would be inundated with the injured, and resources would quickly deplete. But the devastation wouldn't end there. The eruption's fury would continue to wreak havoc. Ongoing volcanic activities would perpetuate the destruction, making recovery efforts nearly impossible. The ripple effects of the eruption would soon be felt across the globe, altering weather patterns and triggering a humanitarian crisis of unprecedented proportions. International aid would be crucial, but the scale of the disaster would challenge even the most prepared nations.